Want to turn a messy, multi-column list into one clean, unique, sorted list? Let's do it with the TOCOL, unique, and sort functions in Excel. So easy and so powerful. Here's my student club sign-up sheet. It's scattered across 6 columns with duplicate clubs. First, we will use the TOCOL function. This spills everything from 6 columns into one nice column. Next, to keep only one instance of each club, I'll wrap it by the unique function. Finally, I want it sorted as well, so I'll wrap the whole thing in sort function. Boom! Now I've got a clean, alphabetized list, perfect for my final report, sign-up sheets, or sharing with the student council. This trick works anywhere you need to flatten messy ranges, deduplicate them, and tidy them up. Super handy for data cleaning. If you love practical Excel tricks like this, hit subscribe. I've got more dynamic array tutorials coming your way. This is part 32 of the 500+ tutorials lined up. Thanks for watching.